Hello, welcome to What's in the Box, presented by Little Pine Education. The best phonics stories ever. Level B, number 9. As I read, take a look at this window. You might notice something interesting happening. First, let's preview the short O words. Bob, Todd, cots, box, lock, doll, rock, tops. Challenge words. Camping. A cot is a fold-out bed that people use usually when they camp. Bob and Todd are on their cots. They see a box. What's in the box? They say. It does not have a lock. So they look. It has a doll. They do not like the doll. It has a rock. It had 2 tops. They like that. They play with the tops. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed this story. See you again next time.